Hey there, I'm Roselle, and today we will discuss why having the right insurance for your food truck business is just as important as having a mouth-watering menu. From vehicle damage to foodborne illnesses, let's explore how to protect your food truck business. Now, food truck insurance is not just an option, it's a necessity. It's designed to cover unexpected events that could disrupt your business, from claims to damages and even lawsuits. Let's dive into the essential types of coverage you'll need to protect your food truck business. Starting off with general liability insurance. It is the backbone of your protection plan. It covers bodily injury and property damage you might accidentally cause. Imagine spilling hot coffee on a customer. This insurance could cover their medical expenses. Now, if you serve alcohol, liquor liability is crucial. It protects against damages or injuries caused by intoxicated patrons, covering legal fees and damages in the event of an occurrence. Now, your vehicle is the heart of your business, so commercial auto insurance is a must. It covers bodily injury, property damage, theft, and much more, ensuring your vehicle is always ready to roll. A business owner's policy, or BOP, combines essential coverages like general liability, commercial property, and business interruption insurance. It's a cost-effective way to protect your food truck and its contents. Are you wondering about the cost? Insurance premiums vary based on factors like your location, the value of your food truck, and the coverage you need. To make it easy for you, simply fill out the form and we'll provide you with 3 quotes tailored to your specific needs within the hour. Common claims in the food truck industry include employee injury, food spoilage, and equipment breakdown. Choosing the right policy means assessing your risks, selecting the necessary coverage, and comparing quotes from different providers. At Farmer Brown Insurance, we are not only just another insurance provider. We specialize in food truck insurance, understanding the unique risks and challenges you face. Our licensed agents offer expert advice with same-day coverage in most cases and the lowest prices from A-rated companies. So contact us today to ensure your food truck is fully protected. Thanks for watching and keep those wheels turning.